today, after we had breakfast, we went back to the hotel and it rained so heavily. And look at this, it's like soaked in. And actually in Thailand, it's rainy season in October, so you gotta really be careful. To tell you the truth, we Japanese people not really get used to this kind of situation, so you know, so it's better wear not shoes but like these thongs, you know. I recommend you guys to wear these condoms too. Ooh. Please be careful. Wow. You still want to go outside?
You was not mine.
But we will wait for time to. Okay. So slowly go and walk, okay? So do you want to go?